Hi everyone! Welcome to my video and today is a special day because I am not alone. I have a co-host here and I just want to introduce to you guys that she is a Facebook founder, Facebook page founder, Hold That Door Stories, and she is Juicy James, my fellow Toastmasters, and District 89. She is a district speech champion and district leader. Please welcome Juicy James.
Thank you very much, Minnie. Hello, everyone. It is my honor and my privilege to be invited as a co host for tonight's episode of Minnie's Wings of Inspiration. And I really admire this page because it really gives us, her followers, inspiration in life and transformation in many cases. So for today, we had a great time walking around looking for inspiration for transfer, not transportation, but transformation. And so we'll be discussing, some ideas uh, with you today. Minnie?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you. So our topic for today is about because just first we went to the Bukazin, the bookstore, and we will find about what we can discuss for today. So I choose this quote from Anne Frank is no one has to delay making a positive difference. Change starts now with you. So guys, what these words or this quote means to you? Because you don't have to delay whatever you want to achieve. Stop procrastinating. Start today. Start doing. Don't wait the perfect time because there is no perfect time. The perfect time is today. So, Miss Josie, can you help me to explain this about no one has to delay making a positive difference? Change starts now with you.
Well, thank you very much, Minnie. I think for me, that change doesn't have to be big. It can start with something very simple that will help someone transform. And even as you help someone transform, in the process, you also end up transforming yourself. For example, how simple can it be? If you see someone looking great, looking, you know, looking lovely. Maybe they are wearing a beautiful smile. That's why they look lovely. You can just immediately compliment them, even they are strangers. Someone you are, you're walking, you're seeing across the room, or you're, walking towards someone, and you just simply say, "I love your smile." And the fact that it's so unexpected and it's so unsolicited and positive, it can immediately evoke positive feeling,
The energy.
yeah, to that person.
Yes.
They will say, oh, well, thank you, and suddenly you put an even sweeter smile on their face. You don't have to wait for it to be the right moment, because there is no such thing as right moment. Every moment is the right moment. It's up to us to seize that time, that opportunity. And yeah, it can make a difference for somebody. And guess what? The most important and surprising impact, it's not just on that person, but for you yourself. When you see that smile given back to you as a result of something you've said so simply, it will make you even
Different.
more happier than that other person. It will change your day into something ordinary to extraordinary just by making that simple gesture. Minnie, what do you think?
Yeah, because I believe that because your positive energy can attract the universe, no matter, as they said that no matter how you looks like, but if you are kind, it makes you a beautiful person, right? And also, if you want to do something, if you want to achieve something, you have to decide to start today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait the perfect time because the perfect time is always today. Stop procrastinating and start doing. That's you don't have to delay because sometimes tomorrow is not sometimes. Tomorrow is not a promise. They said that always, no one knows, right? So yeah, that is our short explanation about this quote. And now is her turn to tell you about her page, what it's all about, the stories. So, Miss Josie, I will turn over this microphone to you.
All
So you
right.
can explain.
Thank you again. Thank you again, Minnie. It is really a pleasure. Now, I really appreciate you giving this opportunity to speak to your followers, to your audience about the page Hold That Door Stories. It was born out of an inspired story that started when I was 6 years old. Believe it or not, back in the Philippines, when when that time was there, I didn't know what school was. No idea what school was. And so I followed my neighborhood friends who that day specifically were running off somewhere, all dressed in white top and blue skirt and blue pants for the boys. And I was saying, "Where are you guys going? Aren't we supposed to be playing around this time?" And they said, "Oh, summer is over. We're going to school." And I said, "School? What is that school?" So I followed them, and to my surprise, I saw this big number of children playing, running, screaming, and laughing most of all. And when the bell rang, I never heard such loud ringing of a bell. Everyone ran in different directions, disappearing through the door, into the doors. And I thought, where's everyone? So I followed secretly and I crouched under the window and saw this lady beautifully dressed. And they call this the teacher. And I had no idea what a teacher was. And she started drawing on the board. I didn't know what blackboard was. I haven't seen any chalk either.
So how old are you at the time?
I was 6. I was 6 years old. And so she drew an apple. And yeah, she had this drawing and asked the children, "What is this in English?" And she said, and everyone said, "A for apple." And in my young mind, I thought, A, A is for apple. I have to remember. And so I went back every day. But from the window, I moved to the door. I became more confident. I'm no longer hiding my existence. And so she drew something on the board, something yellow, and I couldn't help myself and shouted, "B for banana!" And I was so excited, I forgot the time. My mother came looking for me, and she's a little bit angry, but the teacher said, "Don't be angry, madam. I think your daughter is ready for school." And she held the door open, let me in, allowed me to study with the other children. And that changed everything for me. It transformed everything for me. I've discovered books that are a big wonder, that had characters that took you to places that awakened my imagination. So now I realize that decades later, I stumbled upon this data online that says over 280 million children are suffering from some form of illiteracy. And out of that, there's about a million Filipino children. And to me, that is quite disheartening. And I thought something must be done. The government is surely doing something, but 1 million children is quite a lot. So I thought everyone must try to contribute even just a little something. It doesn't have to be grand or anything. I felt that this is the time for paying forward. Somebody held the door for me. That's why I am here. And I want to be able to hold a door for someone so that we can help them in. We can help change someone's future. And so I'm asking you if you can join me. Minnie is already a follower, so I hope that you would support that kind of mission just by following and sharing it to other people who might benefit from this movement. We're trying to create a movement. So yeah, sorry that it's so long,
Yeah, it's
Minnie.
fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Yeah, because you will learn if you yeah, just follow her page, Facebook page, Hold That Door Stories, because um, you will learn a lot. This is the only way. This is the way how she contribute to the world, give back to the world. Because small things really means a lot. Because we can express our passion, or what is that they call that, expertise, by doing this, you know just simple way.
Yeah, nothing,
Yeah.
nothing special, nothing extraordinary,
Yeah.
nothing finesse about it.
Mhm.
Just something simple to
Something
yeah.
to
Just like
contribute.
you, I really admire you, Minnie, for sustaining such commitment
Yes.
to help inspire people who are watching you.
Mhm.
And because of that, you have such good following that hopefully are benefiting from what you have to share.
Yes.
And with what I've seen, I'm also new in this space. Oh, well, you are not new. I am very new. And so I'm very inspired. So I hope that you will continue to go from strength to strength,
Yes.
and more people will benefit from it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are here to just not making more followers. But well, it depends on you if you will follow us. But you know, the purpose of this of our page is to help others. For me, is an inspirational and motivational, just to inspire people to stay positive no matter what life throws at us. Just keep going, stay positive, because each and every one of us has a different battles in life. Every day we experience different battles in life, and how you stay motivated during your challenges, how you stay positive during challenges. So that's why we are here, to help you, to inspire. And she is also here. Guys, please support her Facebook page, Hold Up Doors Stories, because your children, from childhood to adulthood. So yeah, because they will learn a lot. Even she has more to put on the table, not only right now, maybe just the other times, right? So we will just keep stay tuned to us, because we can share a lot of things that you will inspire us.
Yeah, even
So,
with that, I'm very inspired
yeah.
by what you said, because it's really very true
Yeah.
that in life that we go through challenges,
Yes.
and if we just hold ourselves up, take a deep breath, put one step one foot forward after the other, we can make it.
Yes.
We just stay positive.
Start in single step. Right?
Yes.
So yeah, just keep fighting for life. Life never stop teaching us. That's why we never stop learning.
Mhm.
So that's it for our blog video for today. And so please stay tuned for the next video. So guys, don't forget to follow us. Follow her Facebook page, Hold That Door Stories. Although she is new. How many followers do you have right now?
I don't really know. It's by the hundreds, but the viewers are in the thousands.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Rock, okay, she has only hundreds right now, but for the video views, she has a thousands.
Like
That means,
4,000
yeah,
something.
it's very valuable. The video is very valuable. Learned a lot, and she is not only sorry, she is achiever in Toastmasters, and not only in Toastmasters. So, guys, just please follow her page, Facebook page. Thank you so much, and I hope when you resonate or if you resonate this video, please share, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Bye.